Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just going to be unboxing my Boxy Charm box, which I just got this morning. So I have here the Boxy Charm. It's a base box. So I don't know if you guys are familiar with Boxy Charm. It is $25 a month, and you will get a full size beauty cares, 5 full size of beauty care ranging from skincare, beauty tools to color cosmetics. And yeah, I'm excited to open. It's kind of like opening a Christmas gift, but was it worth it? It's $25 a month. Was it worth it? Okay, so was it worth it? Okay, so let's get started. That's cute box actually. And the first items, okay, so it comes with this one. So when you open it, this is how it, so this is the list of the product, what's inside of your box. So I have the 5 products in here. So the first products that we're gonna open up is, ooh, this is cute, Boxy. I believe Boxy is, it's a Wonderlust set. They are 5 pieces of makeup brushes. I do like the cute pouch. Oh, okay. So here is 5 different beauty brushes. Let me open one. And there are synthetic brushes. The versatile collection including a tapered brush, tapered shading brush, blending brush, medium angled brush, larger shader brush, plus a brow and lash brush, stashed in a Boxy pouch for glam on to go. And this one worth $40. So for this thing, it's $40. And they are, I love the brush. It's kind of floppy. I'm not really familiar with the beauty thing, since I do put eyebrows, and other than that, that's it, and lipstick. So that's our first items in the box. The next one is, oh, it says Ace Beauty. Don't know if you guys can see that. So this is a dual lip liner, and the color is, throw it, lip liner. So the first color is So Gorgeous. I don't know if you guys could see it. That's the name of it, So Gorgeous. And let's swatch it. Ooh, I love the color. Love the color. So creamy. And the next one is Be Pitchy. I don't know if you guys can understand me. I have a really bad accent. So Be Pitchy. And let's swatch it. Ooh, I love this color. I definitely can wear this kind of color. This is kind of like the colors that I would prepare if going out or anything like that. But yeah, this is going to be the second items of our box. And the third one is Those of Colors. Oh, I love this brand. And it says the Meet Your Concealer. So this is a concealer. And it says blendable, lightweight, long wear, full coverage concealer. And I do have the number 17 medium tan, which I am. I'm dark. And I do really need a concealer. So this is how it looks. It's really nice packaging. And we'll swatch it. Ooh. Oh, it's really creamy, but lightweight, and definitely full coverage. And I do really need a concealer, since I have a lot of blemishes on my face. So this is the third product, and I do love this one. That says that this is my multitasking full coverage concealer. Has a lightweight, easy to blend formula. It conceals dark under eye circles, which I have, blemishes, and under skin imperfections, which I do have all of that. And now there's going to be our fourth product. So the name of this is Sol de Janeiro. It's a Brazilian Kiss tinted Copaco lip butter. So it's a lip tinted balm lip butter, and the color is Soulmate. Oh, I love the name. Love their names. Oh, look, it's a really pretty packaging. So the color is rose gold. It smells good too. Sol de Janeiro. Oh, I do like it. So don't know if you guys can see it, but it's really pretty. Love the smell. It smells like kind of chocolatey or like a Kit Kat. Yeah, it smells like, it smells so good. And I do love the packaging. It's really pretty. And this is going to be our fourth product. And the next one, the last but not the least, is, ooh, I love this one. Ciade London. I don't know if I say it right, but look, Ciade London, and this is the editor palette, and it comes with 18-piece eyeshadow palette. Ooh, I do like this one. Excited to open it. Look, oh, I do like the packaging. It's really slick. And this is the back. I love the color. Oh, look at that. It's pretty. Look at those colors. They're really pretty, and it says this is the fall. Oh, so this is a really pretty color for fall since we are in fall season. This palette features super soft and blendable shadows in a mix of richly pigmented. Mix and match the metallic letters and matte for effortlessly eye looks. And this is worth $32. I do like this one. I'm excited to try this on. And it's really pretty. I could do some swatches. I'm going to do some swatch. Some of them are matte. So this is just going to be the first. Oh. They're really pigmented and rich color. They're like this blue. Oopsie. Now I've done it. So this is going to be the other side. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's really pretty color. Really pigmented. And, I messed it up. And really blendable. Creamy. You can see. Yeah, this is all the whole box. And this is worth